BRICS Group MCQ Quiz. What does the term BRICS stand for? Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Britain, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Brazil, Russia, Indonesia, China, South Africa. Brazil, Romania, India, China, South Africa. And the right answer is, which country was the last to join the BRICS group? Brazil, Russia, South Africa, India. And the right answer is, what is the primary objective of the BRICS group? Military alliance formation, economic cooperation and development, cultural exchange only, border dispute resolution. And the right answer is, which institution was established by BRICS to support infrastructure and development projects? Asian Development Bank, World Bank, New Development Bank, International Monetary Fund. And the right answer is, which city hosts the headquarters of the New Development Bank? Mumbai, Shanghai, Brasilia, Johannesburg. And the right answer is, which currency is proposed for trade settlements among BRICS nations? US dollar, euro, common BRICS currency, local national currencies. And the right answer is, which BRICS country is the largest by population? Brazil, India, Russia, South Africa. And the right answer is, which sector is a major focus of BRICS cooperation? Defense treaties, economic growth and trade, sports development, tourism only. And the right answer is, which BRICS summit was the first to include South Africa? First summit, second summit, third summit, fourth summit. And the right answer is, which country originally coined the term BRIC? India, United States, United Kingdom, Brazil. And the right answer is, which BRICS nation is the largest by geographical area? China, India, Russia, Brazil. And the right answer is, which of the following is not a founding member of BRICS? India, China, South Africa, Brazil. And the right answer is, what role does BRICS play in global governance? Promotes multipolar world order, supports unipolar dominance, acts as a military bloc, functions as a trade union. And the right answer is, which BRICS country has the strongest energy resources? South Africa, Brazil, Russia, India. And the right answer is, which annual meeting brings together BRICS leaders? G20 Summit, BRICS Summit, World Economic Forum, ASEAN Meet. And the right answer is, which BRICS member is known for its advanced manufacturing sector? Brazil, India, China, South Africa. And the right answer is, which organization represents BRICS countries at the global financial level? World Trade Organization, New Development Bank, International Labour Organization, United Nations Security Council. And the right answer is, which BRICS country is part of both BRICS and the G20? India, Brazil, China, all of the above. And the right answer is, which area is not a focus of BRICS cooperation? Science and technology, health, education, military command integration. And the right answer is, which BRICS country is located entirely in the southern hemisphere? India, Russia, Brazil, China. And the right answer is, what is the nature of BRICS as a grouping? Formal political union, informal economic grouping, military alliance, legal trade bloc. And the right answer is, which BRICS country is the largest exporter of manufactured goods? India, Brazil, China, Russia. And the right answer is, which BRICS initiative aims to reduce dependence on Western financial institutions? New Development Bank, World Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, OECD. And the right answer is, which continent has the highest number of BRICS members? Asia, Africa, Europe, South America. And the right answer is, which BRICS country is known for its mineral wealth and mining sector? India, China, South Africa, Brazil. And the right answer is,